Yo, once we fully blow, those supporters, I don't want it no more. I don't care.
That's a fact. I don't want it no more. Just leave it. Just keep it. I mean, if you want to like the video, that's all right. You can watch it, but you can watch it too if you want. Share it. Stay subscribed. I mean, if you want to share it, that's fine. But yeah.
Now we love y'all. We just playing.
Nah, no, we don't.
Okay.
Shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, it came from my life, and I'm just recording this shit.
I'm scared driving this.
You're gonna take pictures up down. You can use that platform where the view. You can see Playa Las Picuas, Picuas Beach, and Luquillo's Beach to the right, okay? To the left is Rio Grande, the right is Luquillo.
All right, y'all. So we going to the river. I might dip my feet in. I don't know if I want to get wet or not.
5 minutes later.
Straight cannonball. Straight cannonball. That's actually not scary when you get a kill. Do it. There you go. Woo! Bro, do it, bro. Get the fuck out of here. Bro, that's great. I'm gonna go do it.
Look at y'all, there's just stranded horses out here. That is crazy. They're literally just free, bro. What's poppin', y'all? We at the mall. It's nice in here, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't buying nothing though, I'm broke.
Damn, I want to set some dick.
Stop it. Get some help.
Mall out here nice though, I ain't gonna front. We ain't even really like take it in. There's a lot of stores, Gucci and all that over here, but I'm broke, I ain't buying nothing.
Yo, what's that? Who that girl you looking at in your phone, Jeff?
Yeah, who you talking to? Yo,
sorry, Marty.
Yo, Devere just been pointing out girls' butts all day.
Wow.
Like every time we go somewhere, he's like, yo, you see her? You see her? I'm like, yo, bro, I got a girlfriend, bro.
He is lying. Come on.
For real, we too faithful for this nigga, man.
They lying.
Your friends will make you go down a bad path. We in the mall trying to be faithful, talking about, yo, we need to redo something for our girls. He here talking about, damn, that girl over there ass fat.
They lying. Yo, listen. Hold on.
Nah, bro, I ain't gonna find that's true. Yo, he be having like the eyes ready too. She be like, man, far, I can't even see. He got 20/20 vision out here.
That's big cat. I can't believe they lying like that, man.
Yeah. You still vlogging?
Yeah.
See, I'm trying to talk about people.
Look at this. It's beautiful out here.
Every time that we put an ingredient into the shaker, you're gonna take a sip of mojito. Pineapple juice into the shaker. Now, ingredient in the shaker, you know the drill. Ingredient in the shaker. 1 spoonful of sugar into the shaker. Ingredient! Sip! Ingredient, sip! You got sugar, pineapple, coconut cream. Ingredient, sip! Remember, we're cross-referencing science. We gotta make sure that we're not PG. The whole thing. Once again, measured out. Pour your añejo cuatro into your shaker. Let me teach you some shaking, y'all. But before I do so, let me set the mood. Setting the mood. Yes. Pay close attention. Dominant hand on top of the shaker. Hold it down tightly. Non-dominant hand in the bottom. We're gonna kick elbow wrist. Let's do it. Hey. Strain that onto your fresh ice. Let's see it. And salud! Salud, pinaglaw, my friend.
But that was dope, y'all. I ain't gonna front. I was like timid on this experience, but it's definitely worth it. It's very dope.
Not this nigga fake getting up from that. I'm gonna fucking play with you, bitch. I'm sorry if it's hard for me to call you a bitch, but.
They bothering me out there.
If I lay down, this shit gonna break.
Are y'all ready to play the game?
What are you doing?
We all
I'm not playing. I'm not playing no gamble to sleep.
It looks like y'all about to do
Always
more
ready.
than chill.
I just came to dance.
And if we want to do, what's the problem with that?
What you mean? Your girl right here.
Hold on.
I'm bi.
Oh my God! Wow!
You telling yourself for the devil at this point.
What the fuck?
Can you go back to sleep? I liked you better when you were asleep. Yo, can y'all bring up up here?
said he died.
I'm about to sleep by myself. First of all, why he fake you now? How much of the live with you? Vlogging.
Now he put
Yeah, he was vlogging. The whole time he was up. That was his beautiful picture.
The video is real. Too much shit happening. You know what? Let's go play it. This is interesting, bro.
I just want to give y'all a quick house tour. It's like a little studio just for me and Truly. You know, it's like a little living room. The main entrance to the door is right there. And then our bedroom is over there, which I'm not going to show you. I have his own bathroom in there and everything. It's actually really nice. But we unpacked, we got stuff everywhere. You're looking at dirty, so I don't want y'all to see the true side of how dirty we is. We got the keys, because this is just me and Truly section. We got Jaquan and Devere upstairs. We in the picking rooms, and we got this one. So I ain't mad at it, because we all by ourselves over here. But you know, you walk out, you got the terrace, and look at this view, y'all. We got the pool down there, and it's beautiful, bro. There be like roosters cockadoodling, you know, every morning, and they be cockadoodling at night. They be wilding out. I ain't gonna front. They be getting me tight. What the hell?
Shut up, nigga.
Dang, we got the full effect Carvin's way in the building. Go subscribe to my boy, you know what I'm saying?
Let's get it.
Let me go upstairs now. So, you know, this, like I said, this is the little main entrance, you know, to our room right here. We got our own little driveway right there, and then you walk down, there's the pool. Let's go up to the main level, you know, where Quan and Devere is staying. There's their rental. You know, they got the truck, because, you know, they big. So you come in through here. Here's the living room. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask me why, but it's like a random bed right here. Got the kitchen area. Someone's in the bathroom, so I can't show you that. But here's the kitchen, stove. It's dope. We got two rooms. One is over there. One is on the left side. But the ladies are in there, so I'm gonna let them do their thing. So they come out through here. And you see it. They got the views too. Own little terrace, and we'll be chilling up here. And you just get a higher level view. And it's beautiful, y'all. You see back there, we got like a little bonfire. I don't know if I can see it. The bonfire jumpy over there. But y'all, the house is beautiful, man. I can't be more than happy with the house. You know, we each got our own little spaces, and it's dope, man. It's real dope. Yeah, Puerto Rico is beautiful, man. Definitely recommend anybody who has to visit, come visit the island. You won't regret it. Go with your friends, bro. Go with people you love, and y'all can split the tab, and it ain't expensive. Yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a quick tour, let y'all see how we living. Alright, peace.